Yeah.
Yebo, unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngikhona nathi. Bekwenzakalani awusitshele asichazele nje ukuthi bekwenzakalani wena ubani yini uyenza la kule film?
Okay, namhlanje sisenanda 88.5 FM shooter a 48-hour film and izolo sinikeza ibrief besiqala ukunikezwa igenre and nokuthi sizoyenza kanjani ifuni wayiphuma iphuma u7 minutes. So nami ke namhlanje ngithole opportunity because kufanele kube into real eyenziwa yithina futhi because ithina singenile as Inanda FM team. So nje it was an experience. Ngiyakhala ngithanda ukuact. So namhlanje nganikezwa ukuthi ngoba yabo bengikho umuntu ongasabumbanga. Yabo omuhle. So kwathiwa ngikhona available ngimuhle I look the part yokuba nemali
Yasiyangendlovukazi. Awuphinde ungishola lapha ukuthi angazi Inanda 88.4 bani.
Inanda 88.4 FM today's best radio is namhlanje sithi nje we are today's best filmmakers.
So after as Inanda, where we going to celebrate tonight?
Okay, we're celebrating at Zanzibar.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguSibu wakashangase. Hectic, it's hectic. Yabo, the way manje ikiwa phezulu lento, but I don't know which part I must say I am because I'm assistant director, costume, storyliner, all of those things. Oh, voice over. Yeah, so balance the meaning, you'll see it in the credits. But more than anything, it's been a crazy experience. We've been running around trying to catch the sun. You won't believe it, but there wasn't an actual script, so everything is improv, and I'm so proud of all our writers, all our actors, everybody who came through, everyone. Special shout out to our runners, and Jay, it's gonna be a success in Nanda 88.4 FM, 48-hour film. It's great, and
It's literally
48 hours, and well, we're doing the whole thing in 48 hours, but it's gonna be about 7 minutes, so that's a lot of work. So you know it's going down.
I'm an actor, has been for a long time. While making films, handling a camera, it's actually I don't have much experience with these, but I have experience in front of these. So I think this will work for me in a long way, because I also want to be a filmmaker. Actually, I am an amateur filmmaker because I've done something for myself. So it's a learning curve, it's growth. So it was good experience. I've never been part of the 24-hour film competition. So doing it for the first time and being at work since the morning till now, well, it's not too bad. But we used to it.
Yeah, it's not too bad. So it was really bad.
No, it depends. I'm honest.
Okay,
maybe for people who are not free at conveying their emotions to the public,
okay.
But for me, it was not bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cheerful times.
Yeah.
How you look tired? You're so tired.
Yeah.
How was it?
Very. It's been a long day. It's been an interesting day, where we explore our creative juices towards this 48-hour film competition, and we had to do 2 movies or 2 films, and now work must begin, editing and. Yeah, so it's been interesting. It's a concept that keeps everyone in the industry, up up on their toes. But it's good. We accept challenges, and we have to, do it proper and with a good heart until the end. See you
So when
tomorrow. Shooting, directing, plotting, just chopping and changing. We are a team of people like that, so we just had to make sure that everything happens properly. So that's all.
Thank you.
Wena ngizokopela.
Hayi, khuluma wena. Bekunjani wena ubushutha phela kushutha ngomunye umuntu.
Yeah.
Okay, ngiwumaster, omunye wo-cameraman. Bekusuku olude kakhulu namhlanje sishutha i-short film ekudingeka only 7 minutes. So, ngicabanga ukuthi kusebenzeke kahle nabafowethu. Besibambeni sisene nabo abayi-crew yami.
Njalo ukhathali.
So.
Unjani ukhathali, njalo ukhathali.
Ayikona ikhathalekile phela ngoba ayisiqale ekuseni sikwenza lokhu. Ngicabanga ukuthi sishuthe nje amasinzi amaningi namhlanje na kuze kuzofika lesi sikhathi sikusona njengamanje.
All right, thank you. Beke singakhulumi ngamathikithi. Ungubani bowenzani namhlanje?
Sanibona njani? Sikhwili lo, sikhwili phambana noBhoko. Bekushubile futhi kambi. Sishutha le 7 minutes leyo besenza la. Talent engilibonile yo webabo mina ngaze ngilibone talent elinje. Shuthi kuyabonakala ukuthi hayi KZN iphethe ezinye izinto and kusazoshuba eKZN abalingisi abanje ngiyabaqala kusazokwenzeka ezinye imanga futhi ngiyafisa ukuthi lento engathi ngenzeka yonke iminyaka iloku yenziwa lento yenziwa khona bezokwazi ukuthuthuka abantu ne youth bonke nje bathuthuka abantu kubonakala ukuthi ngempela kwenzakalani bakubabone nalabo abalapha phambili laba sihlezi sibabuka zonke insuku ukuthi abaqinise nabo bakhuphula amasokisi ngoba khona abantu abezayo la
Konakele KZN.